guys, that girl that was with me last time, she's not here. She went home. So it's just me, and I'll be showing you how to make slime. What you will need a bowl for mixing, a spatula for mixing. You will need 2 bottles of Elmer's glue. I use gel because it usually works better. So you need this. You will need some shaving cream, any kind. You will need some body wash. You will need some baking soda. Baking soda. And you will need saline solution. So first off, you want to dump your 2 bottles of glue in. Get as much out as you can. You just want to pour all of this in. Okay. Next, you have your glue in there, and next thing you want to get your shaving cream. This is gel. You can use any kind that you want to, and just do that. So then you want to mix this in with this. Until it is soft. So I have my shaving cream and glue. The next thing you will want to put in is your body wash. I'm using, it smells really good. It is orange, and I'm just pouring this in because this soap makes it smell good, and it makes it soft and stretchy. So I'm just pouring that in and start mixing. And it should be like that. Trying to get your fingers. It should be soft and like that. Next thing you want to do is you want to pour your baking soda in. I just take it and do it. Okay, we did it. Okay, so I'm just going to mix it in. This makes the slime, kind of forms it. Next thing you want to do is I got this, so I'm just going to open this. Okay, so I have this. Okay, so I have this, and I'm just going pour this in. Sorry, somebody's calling. So I'm just going to pour this in right now. Okay, so now I'm going to start mixing. See, it's already starting to form. Get some more. So I'm just going to mix this up. Put some more in there. So forth like that. It's starting to transform into your fluffy slime. It's very good. I'm going to pour a little bit of baking soda in it. Just want to go one by one. It's kind of transforming. Okay. Once you have it all mixed in, grab it, kind of do that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm here with it. Yeah, okay. Hey guys, I'm back, and it's starting to transform into slime. So, I'm trying to get it down. Okay. Okay, so I'm starting to play around with it, and it's starting to get more slimy and not that sticky. So, I'm going to put a little bit more eye solution in it. The eye solution makes it really not that sticky anymore.